What's up, guys? It's Ready Relax, back with another video, back with another banger. Today I'm playing Beatstorm episode number 3. It's episode number 3. I am surprised, and today we are playing with Ryan,
hey,
and Nathan, which is our actually special guest, right?
Yep. Yeah.
So, we're just going to be playing Beatstorm Simulator. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and you'll get a free cookie. And if you get 10 years of, and then if you turn on notification bell, you'll get 10 years of amazing luck. So, yeah, guys, yeah.
And a free piece of cake.
Yeah, free piece of cake. Yeah, I forgot to say that. So, yeah, we were actually really hyped to do this video, guys. Like, very hyped, right?
Yeah.
Because, especially since it has Nate in it, which we haven't seen in a video yet, actually. Yeah, we haven't seen him in a video. So, now,
Ever.
Yeah, ever. I love,
Ever.
yeah, thank you guys so much for 3 subscribers. That is a lot of subscribers. And, guys, you have been loving all of my videos, like, a lot. Because most of them have over 10 views. It's just mind-blowing, guys. I really enjoy making you guys entertained. And, yeah. It's just like, I really hope you guys have a good day. Yeah, that's all I need to say. Dude, Nathan and Ryan.
Yeah?
Don't you, like, look back at your videos and you're like, oh my gosh, that was such a good video.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
Well, Ryan, I'm just proud of myself for being able to just record and being myself. I'm being myself, guys.
I'm really proud of you. I'm proud of you.
Really?
Yep.
There. Basic B. Let's go, Riley B. But I have so many red Bs.
Guys, guess what? I have the, what's it called? The magnet.
The magnet? Really? Let's go! I got a blue epic. That's all I needed. That's literally all I needed. Okay. Let's go, guys. I just got a
I don't have the magnet yet. I have the scissors.
I have the vacuum. Oh,
Is that the one after the magnet? Yeah.
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 It's really OP.
OP.
Oh,
This dude-
10,000. Wait, Dandelion Field? Cadet? Earned a Clover badge. What? Huh? Yes, okay, I can earn 10,000 pollen from the, I can earn that easily from the spider field, because it's only white pollen. Guess up, won't stop. Yeah, really?
What up? It's Porky Pig. You call me T-Double. No trouble. I don't know the words of that song. Yeah.
Sure.
It's the best song ever, right?
Yeah. Oh, dude, I have 13,000 honey.
You have 18,000. 13,700. Wait, you have 18,000 honey?
13,000.
Hey, Keller.
Yeah?
You have 18,000 honey?
Cool bee is out of energy. I don't need any of my bees right now. They're not helping. They're not doing anything. Actually, they are, but they don't really do anything. Ow. Okay. Guys, I just hope you enjoy my videos. Make sure to like and subscribe if you really enjoy them. Yeah, just like 3 subscribers is amazing. Like, that's just unreal.
Yeah.
Especially since I started, I don't know, like 5 days ago, I'd say.
Yeah.
So, it's just amazing how you guys enjoy my videos. And yeah, I want to make you guys entertained. Do I make you entertained, Nathan and Ryan?
Yes, a lot. It's even fun playing and record and like posting this on YouTube.
Who's your guys' favorite YouTubers?
My first one is Mr. Beast, and my second one is yours.
Mr. Beast.
My first one is Jelly, and my second one is yours.
Jelly? I don't watch Jelly.
Why do you like Jelly?
What?
I don't know.
I mean, he doesn't make videos anymore.
Are you sure?
I never, so he has a Discord channel and I'm on it, and, bro, he has not said a single word in his Discord channel in at least, a month. He never alerts people. Yeah, he really just doesn't. Yeah, and guys.
He just doesn't?
Yeah, he just doesn't. Guess what, guys?
Yeah?
I'm talking to you, mostly them, but, so, you know how we struggled? So, guys, we struggled to get Discord, because,
yes.
Because I couldn't record on my iPad, I had to record on my iPad, but it won't let me on other apps on my iPad. So we did Discord, and House Party wouldn't work. Everything wouldn't work for some reason. It was just bad. And we spent a long time just to help just make videos, because we enjoy making videos for you guys. It makes us happy.
We want to make you guys entertained.
Yeah. It makes us really happy that you guys are entertained too. Let's go. No. Hey, yo, it's Porky Pig. I like Porky Pig. Porky.
You do not know what I just did.
What?
I was so close to getting a 5th B, and guess what?
What?
I thought I was giving treats to this, but I was getting treats, not giving.
Oh.
So I was at 6,000, and now it just took me down to 3,000.
Oh, dude, I have so many moons.
Hey, how much bees do you have? How much what? How much bees do you have?
4.
4. What backpack do you have? The second one. The 750?
Yeah. Why do you both have that one?
I have 3,500 one.
Oh, you just bought it?
No. I didn't just buy it.
I'm gonna watch your stuff. I'm watching you right now. I'm not talking to the mama bear yet. Ooh, oh my god. Oh, whoa.
What?
9, I think that says 9, that says, oh, that's a lot of money. No, $99 billion to buy 10 million treats? Oh, that's insane.
It'd be more like 50 million treats. I mean, 50 million,
Honey?
Well, 50 million, XP to the bees if you feed them all.
Wait, dude, I just bought another bee. I bought 2 bees in this video.
I'm gonna get another bee after this, I guess.
I got a bomber bee. Ooh, nice. That's
cost 10,000.
2,000?
No, 10,000. That sounds fine to us. It costs 6,000.
Oh, 53,000 for that. Okay. Yeah, guys, on my main account, I literally have so many quests. I don't know what quests are which.
I know, same.
I have 10 bees, so I can go to the pineapple patch. Let's go. pineapple patch. Pineapple, pineapple, pineapple patch.
Okay, I'm gonna go kill the spider.
A spider.
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 Has it spawned yet?
Spider.
Oh, it's in 12 minutes.
Club. Yeah.
Bar.
No. Whoa.
Oh, a dang bar.
50,000 for a mega chug. 25,000. Holy. Guys, I can't believe how fast I'm moving up, like all these bees, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god, we just scored. Again.
Colin, please, please, please. Okay, Colin, please. Yeah, guys, we're watching the Cardinals games. I mean, not the Cardinals games, the Saints game. And they just scored, I guess. No! I died!
Really?
Boy.
I know how to get a royal jelly.
I know that royal jelly. I'm watching your screen. I already got that.
Wait, where is it? Where is it? You need to have 5 bees.
Please don't kill me, Mantis. None of my bees are seriously here. Are you serious? I'm dead.
Wait, where's the mantis? Wait, you have 10 bees?
Yeah.
How much bees do you have? 10?
Yeah, 10. Bro, I only have 1 bee that's here. I swear, I only have 1 bee? That is dumb. That is...
Oh no. Yeller, do you see my screen?
Oh, King Beetle.
Oh, King Beetle.
Thank you, bees, for coming. And not trying to kill
scared
me.
of the King Beetle.
Ah!
King Beetle.
Kill him.
King Beetle. Run in.
Please kill the mantis.
The
Yes.
King Beetle. I'm letting my King Beetles. I'm letting it. King Beetle. I'm letting my King Beetle.
You're dead, Ryan.
Me? Ha!
Oh, you're dead.
I fell under the map.
Yeah, because he died.
Why can't I just die like? Why can't I just die like this? Oh, never mind.
Dude, guys, shout out to the owner of Bee Swarm Simulator, right?
Yeah.
That's how.
Comment down below, guys. Comment down below what other simulators you guys want us to do.
Well, I have my comments turned off, so I know ones that are very, very funny too. Which you know what I'm talking about, right?
Oh yeah. And
And we'll also do story mode. Stories, by the way, guys.
story. Yay. Yeah. Yay. They're so funny.
Yeah. We can do one of the scary ones or one of the non-scary ones.
Non-scary.
Okay.
Oh, it's too scary. Nate likes scary.
Right. Sure.
He loves Halloween. Oh, I hate Halloween.
You're like,
Hey, what do you mean you hate
loves-
Halloween?
He loves Halloween. Just kidding. He hates.
Yeah, he loves Halloween.
Are you sure about that? He just said with his own mouth. I hate Halloween. Guys,
Halloween.
guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do you guys hope you enjoyed this video?
Yeah, I enjoyed it.
So, yeah, have a good day. Ready out.